Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change language on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote app. Now to change language to English, on the top left you can find here is 3 line. Just tap on this, and now over here on the bottom left you can find here is gear icon. Just tap on this. And over here on the second of the list, you can find here is gear icon. Just tap on this. And now on this mysterious list over here, tap on this first item. And over here just tap on this English. And then tap on this red icon on the top right. And that's it. You can see I have changed the language of this REDnote app to English. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.